Let's get creative and elevate your Ramzan home decor this year. Make a beautiful lantern with me. Hello everyone, hope all of you are well and fine, and today we are going to decorate this small lantern. Actually, this was a keyring, and to have this bigger keyring, hold it in your hand or to keep it in the pocket is always difficult. So I had decided to turn it into a decorative thing, and we are going to do this today. I am going to decorate this lantern with strawberry fruits, leaves, and flowers, and I have made them with ribbons. So stay tuned. I am going to make all these things in front of your eyes in the coming up videos. Firstly, I have used hot glue to stick the strawberries, and now I have used the same thing to stick the leaf. If you are new on my channel, I'm very happy to have you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. Now I'm sticking strawberry flowers. Put a hot dot of glue on the wrong side of the flower, then put it on the leaves and stick it up. The roof of the lantern is done. I'm not going to overdo it. So now I am going to stick the strawberry and leaf on the lower portion of the lantern. I am using just one strawberry, one leaf and one flower, as if the flower and the fruit have fallen down from the bunch above. And like the roof, we are going to do just two sides of the lower portion of the lantern. Okay, the flowers and fruits and handmade leaves are stuck, but this is not done yet, and I am also going to use some embellishments. These are golden butterfly stickers, and these are bazaar made, and I am going to use them to decorate my lantern too. I am not relying on the glue of the stickers only. I am going to use glue separately, and this is Fevicryl glue. Although this is fabric glue, but it also works beautifully with embellishments and stones. Actually, I have worked with this glue before, and my stones have never fallen out of any decoration piece. This is not a paid promotion, folks. This is something I have used and I have shared it with you. I am going to decorate the floor of the lantern now. Fill the gap up with kundan. Kundan is a kind of gemstone and butterflies and other embellishments. This is a very special project, folks. Ramzan is a very special occasion, and I wanted to give a new look to my iftar table, and I know you folks would love to do so too. Just tell me in the comment section how do you like this project, and then I'm going to bring some more of these. As you know, it was a silver lantern, and we have added golden touch with the golden embellishments to this lantern, and now I am going to do the same thing to the lantern bars. I am going to paint them with golden acrylic paint. I am just going to paint a golden line in the indentation of the bars, and that's all the painting we are going to do to the bars. Actually, I don't want to paint them too heavily because I want both the colors to be visible at the same time. And I'm sorry, my hands are a bit unsteady because of chemotherapy. That's why the line was a bit wavy. And I hope you are going to ignore this fact, and now we are going to keep on working. Here I'm adding golden dots with the dotting tool in between the gap of the fruit and flower decorations. See how beautiful it looks with the lighted candle, and this is an LED candle. So here it is, the project is ready, and I am going to show you without the lighted candle too. One more thing, give a coat of varnish to all the dots and the lines we have painted, otherwise the paint would peel off and it won't be permanent. And have a nice day. See you next time with a new project and a new video.